If you've just finished editing your image in Photopea and now you want to save it properly, this video is going to make that super easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to save your photo in Photopea as a standard image file like JPG, PNG, or WebP so you can download it straight to your laptop and use it anywhere you want. Whether you're saving a logo, a social media graphic, or a regular photo, the steps are simple once you know where to click. And before we get into it, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure everything looks the way you want it to. This is important because once you export the file, it will create the final version that you can use outside of Photopea. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and click on File. From the File menu, hover over Export As. This is where Photopea lets you choose the format for your finished image. When the export options appear, select the file format that matches your needs. If you want the best option for graphics, text, logos, or any image with a transparent background, PNG is usually the best choice. If you are saving a general photo and want a smaller file size, JPG is a great option. If you're making something for the web or you need a modern compressed format, WebP can be a really smart choice. And if your design includes vector elements or you're working with scalable graphics, SVG may also be available depending on the file type. Once you choose your format, Photopea will open a save dialog with additional settings. If you pick JPG, you'll usually see a quality slider, and for most cases, setting it around 80 to 90% gives you a really good balance between crisp image quality and a smaller file size. You can also check the width and height if you need to resize the export before saving. This is useful if you want the image to be smaller for uploading, sharing, or posting online. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right before you continue. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Photopea will then download the image directly to your device, usually into your laptop's Downloads folder. From there, you can open it, move it, upload it, or share it wherever you need. And that's it. Your photo is now saved from Photopea as a standard image file. It only takes a few clicks once you know the export process, and now you can confidently save your work in the format that fits your project best. If this video helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.